so far we have done three kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, adjective of number. Now we go to the fourth type of adjective, that is distributive adjective. A distributive adjective shows that persons or things are taken one at a time. Distribution, one at a time. Okay? So, kinds of adjective. We do the fourth kind, that's a distributive adjective. That's the fourth kind. Distributive adjectives. What are the distributive adjectives do? A distributive adjective shows a distributive adjectives show that the persons or things, are taken one at a time. One at a time. Distributive adjectives show that the persons or things are taken one at a time. Okay? I'll give you some examples for us to understand better. Each boy will get a chance. Each boy will get a chance. Each boy will get a chance. We expect every girl to be educated. We expect every girl to be educated. Neither of the statement is correct. Neither of the statement is correct. Every man must do his duty. Every man must do his duty. Neither of the book will do. Either of the book. Either of the book will do. Either of the book. Will do. Each woman carried a pot. Each woman carried a pot. Every word of it is true. Every word of it is true. Neither boy is likely to pass. Neither boy is likely to pass. Now I have several sentences for you. Let's look at them all. What is an adjective? It's a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. And we have 6 kinds of adjectives, and we have come to the 4 of it. We have done adjective of quality, quantity, number, and now we are doing the distributive adjectives. What does the distributive adjective say? A distributive adjective shows that the persons or things are taken one at a time, one by one. Each boy will get a chance. We said it takes adjective of distributive adjective says things or person taken one at a time. Each boy will get a, how many? Each boy, not one altogether. So, each boy will get a chance. So, each is an distributive adjective. We expect every girl to be educated. Every girl to be educated. Neither of the statement is correct. Neither, taken one at a time. Every man must do his duty. Every man must do his duty. Either of the book will do. This book or that book. Each woman carried a pot. Each woman carried a pot. Every word of it is true. Every word. Neither, I mean, no boy will pass. Neither boy is likely to pass. Now, in the distributive adjective, we said persons or things are taken one at a time. Each boy, every girl, neither, every man, either of the book, each woman, every word, neither boy. The words each, every, neither, either, each. All these words tell us they are in the distributive adjectives. So what are the words you need to remember? Each. They are taken things or persons individually, one at a time. Every. every, neither, either, each, every, neither. All these words help us to identify if it is a distributive adjective. The word distributive itself will tell us taking things or persons one at a time. Now, each boy will get a chance. We expect every girl to be educated. Neither of the statement is correct. Every man must do his duty. Either of the book will do. Each woman carried a pot. Every word of it is true. Neither boy is likely to pass.